This is actually a way you can be making $13 like 80,000 in a day. This live trading video, so I use my own money to trade on this video. So as a beginner, if you want to start make money trading, you can watch this video. Nothing is 100% guarantee, but I'm using my own money, so you know that I'm not just making just video. This live trading video. So I find this coin. I'm looking for a coin I want to trade. Then I find this coin. I see this coin is in range. Then I draw my chart over here. That's okay. I can go short over here since the price reject from this place first. Now the price also got reject in this second place also. So I decided to go short on this market. So after I found this opportunity over here, then I head over to, because I have money on KuCoin, then this Binance. I just head over to KuCoin to open this trade. So after I open this trade, in less than 30 minutes, or let's say 20 minutes, I'm in profit already. This 100% sure. No, nothing in trading is 100% sure. But you just know that you are willing to. If you see over here, I estimate loss is $23. That I'm willing to lose this money. Then I'm willing to. My estimate profit is $49. So this is how these things work. Right now that I'm in profit in $8.58. I don't want to lose any money on this trade again. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check the realistic take profit, because trying to make like 1 raised to 1.5%. Sometimes when this trading, the distance is very far from your taking profit, the trade may reverse against you. So one thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back to Binance. I'm using Binance to read the chart. So right now over here, this 20 MA. So I think if this price, there is this support over here when the price come to this place. So right now I'm going to set my take profit to 0.00359 right now. So I know this is realistic. Let me see. Again, I'm going to use this button. I'm going to cancel this button, confirm. Then I'm going to input this. Then press 36. That's 35. This 36 is okay like this. I'm going to press this. So I'm going to press confirm. This is realistic. Confirm. Since this support is over here, so it's better to take profit over here. You take profit over here. If the price goes to this place again, this resistance, then I can still enter short, so the price can come over here immediately. And don't forget, you need to be checking Bitcoin and how Bitcoin is doing, because if Bitcoin move upside, it can affect your trade. Then your crypto you are shorting also is going to go up. So Bitcoin also some other times helps some coin to pump. So right now I think Bitcoin is doing well. So I'm on Binance to check how Bitcoin is doing. If I decide that Bitcoin is about to make a good move, then I'm going to close my trade. At least right now I've made 11% gain return on investment. So this is good. This is really good for a daily trade. So right now I think I'm going to close this trade because Bitcoin is doing good right now. So I'm going to close this trade right now. So I'm going to press close market. Are you sure you want to close this market? I'm going to press yes. So I've closed this order. Then let me show you this to confirm. So you see, I made $10 of profit on this trade. So this is actually a way you can be making $10 like 80,000 in a day. Just try to find perfect coin and try to follow. Maybe you want to long or you want to short. Make sure you know what you are doing. Don't forget to check the link I'm going to leave in the video description, so you can join the Telegram group. Then anytime I want to make a such trade, I'm going to put it on the Telegram. If you want to, and if you want to copy the trade, you are free to do so. So it's free. So I know what you are doing before you take any trade. So thank you guys for your time. If you get value in this video, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell.